talk this morning, me really not care. So please me, I beg on nobody to message me like me say. Because me I share my story. When me I go through right now, enough people never did I go through it so long. Me I go through a relationship breakup. Hold on, Trisha. Just hold on. Hold on, darling. Hold on. I am telling my story. Give me a minute. It is going to take a while. I am going through a breakup since March. April, me no say the aggression start, so me say me I go kick it off at me. Throughout the tail end or the last few months of the relationship, me feel like it is not working out for me. Now when a man and a woman enter into a relationship, both parties will understand say they don't own each other. So at any given moment as a woman, a man can want left whether he find a next woman or whatever the case may be. If a man cheat by you, if he want left, as a woman most time all you have to do a ball and ball and ball till you want dead if you want. You're not go dead. After a storm, it must be a calm. You must get over it. I have been through two in my Facebook life where anybody know me from Wappy Kill Philip leading to today probably have seen me in motion, because when it good me no hide it, and when it bad me no hide it neither. So me go through two breakup where me never take well. And as a woman, all you could have do a ball and ball and ball and ball and ball and no say alright at that, because guess what? As a woman, you can't go kill the man. You can't go beat up the man to make the man come back to you. You can't go beat the man to stay with you. So as a woman, you have to hold your earth and go on. Based on this breakup, now as me tell you this, me watch this on TV all the time. Me I share my story this morning, and me I tell us one phone call when me talk to somebody this morning. And this is somebody who this man conversates with. And just the griminess and the gruesomeness of this thing here. Me know say immediately I have to change something, because one thing me know. Me no want dead. Me no want no boy take me life. Me no want lose me life left the one picking where God give me. Him a big boy, but we know how he go already, and every pitney grow up and run down the fast lane and reach out the fast. For me wanna still pitney even though I'm a big boy. So me still have to have him under my wings. Oh God, hold on. Jesus Christ. Anyways, any negativity, chances are it's the person I am involved with a fake page. I am 100% certain that the person is here. My son a pass, so me I go be quiet because I know my son pick up wagwan. Body in everywhere say, Wally, what are you waiting on? Excuse me. What are you waiting on? You go wait till we get a phone call say you're dead in your yard, or you're dead out the road, or you're dead based on this individual and in threats them and how serious him a get before you get the police involved. Remember months and months, you know. And me a try my very best, because at the end of the day, me a try to understand and put myself in a somebody else's shoes. All when the situation a take me literally under the ground, me still a put myself in a the other party shoes. And I tell myself, say, alright, me no really want. Me I think to myself, say, alright, me go through break up already and me know the pain way feel like. When somebody separate from you prematurely and you never ready. Me know the pain where that cause me already. Me feel like me there got dead. So with me bearing in mind, and me I think to myself, say, alright, low-key, at this the person I go through, but at the same time, because them a man, and I one of them type of man, them a take it in the wrong way, where them a get evil with it. So me I try to give time, and I give time, because me I say time of the master, and over a period of time, he must tired one night time and stop. He must tired one night time and stop. And me I tell you, say no stopping no then here. No stopping no then here. It continues, it continues, it continues, it continues. Me tired. Me tired, me tired, me tired, me tired, me tired of it. Me tired of it. On the 21st of October, me reach my limit. The 21st of October, me reach my limit and decide, say, alright, me finally have to make that phone call. Me finally have to make that phone call. Me no know Slims, there's no friends at the moment. The whole situation of what has been going on with me and him throughout the months, it had cut ties with friends in all different type of way. Remember, we are in October, you know. Me I tell you, say, from May, June, July, August, September, so all through them the time there, with people gradually knowing and finding out. Because if you don't know, no sister 1 and 2 times squeal one little sitting on Facebook. And when me under pressure, me will write one little something. And anything when me ever write, name can do. Leave me till if me a come round, me say it no. But telling you his name, what is that going to do? What are you going to be able to do by knowing his name? Fatal attraction is what it is. So me say me I go through it now for months. Me ball and me complain to he, she and the whole lady. Me try every strategy. Me try to talk to everybody, to talk to him. Everybody talk to him. Numbers and numbers upon people talk to him in a good way. Nobody not talk to him in a bad way. He get to one point where all my friends them me wind up coming like me lose. Out of my frustration with the situation, because me feel like one night time maybe all my friend them could have helped me out of it. At the end of the day, everybody come round to no one do nothing with it and can't do nothing with it. So it boiled down and left come back around to me. Remember, you know, all when somebody talk little bit and talk little bit and the other side give them like everything is alright, and the other side give them like that the other side is such a manipulator and such a narcissist that him able to convince some that alright, I know the breakup where we are go through cause for this to happen. I know the breakup are wicked, me wicked and a destroying life. So there and then all the life what me I got this morning our next pressure me I care for myself now, because I go here say me destroying life because me go live pan him. So in other words, me fi stay behind the scenes and suffer in a silence, suffer in a silence, suffer in a silence, suffer in a silence, and I no say nothing and it can't work. Because me say me reach me limit. Me say me reach me limit. No, I has never laid hands upon me before. Because I will never tell lie upon the young man. Somebody asked me that. No, he never lay hands upon me throughout the whole relationship. We never necessarily had a fight. Remember, my son a big boy in the house, so there and then now, even if you understand, but he never come off as no violent person for really a try to fight. So this whole side of the individual has came on since the breakup. The whole side of the individual, when me I tell you, say, it scared me to the level where a pure devil. I have never heard the word devil so much in my entire life. The man a call down devil upon himself. The man a welcome devil in himself. The man a welcome the devil in his thoughts. This young man need help too. This young man need help too at the same time. Because me I tell yourself, after months and months, and everybody feel like say, oh, Wally, with all the way you go through, and the police you forget involved, and the police you forget involved. Me I say me no want get no police involved. Number one, me know say alright, this a man you have paperwork galang in Zagwan. This a man you have paperwork galang in Zagwan, so me I use see me conscience. Despite a war reach me and the terror night and day, the harassment, the hundreds of murder texts and stabbing texts, and me I go stab you with this, and me I go juke you with that, and me I go kill you brawling in a crowd, and me I go this and me I go that. When me say take a toll upon me, brother. It take a toll upon me because me I tell you say before this me never experienced no level and no type of badness and no type of not like this in a man. So me I try to tell you say for months and months and months when everybody done say Wally a police you have to get the law involved. And me say me still a try to bear the young man in mind. Me still a try to bear the young man in mind. No say I go through all paperwork and I try to bear it out. And I try to tell myself say alright, time I go fix this thing here with time. The young man I go ease off. The man nah ease off none at all. The man nah ease off none at all. So on the 21st of October, me reach my limit. Remember, me telling you, say me try everything, you know. Me try to get decent people to talk to him. Me try to get his friends to talk to him. Me try to find family member. One family member me find. Mother did really want to get in contact with the mother. Because the young man tell me say mother a Christian from him born and a grow. And me feel say sometimes mothers have impact on these men. So me try in every way to reach the mother from down a Ochoria Senton where they come from and to make the woman know what go on. To see if the woman can ball pan him and beg for him and pray for him come out of this mindset away inna. Because the young man in a evil mental mindset right now, and his only target is me. So this young man sit down and plot day in day out which way him a go able if he can take me out. So on the 21st of October me reach my limit. I'm a dial 911. Me dial 911. Me call the police. Me tell the police them what is happening to me. Normally is a report you figure the station go make. To the way how me reluctant, me grown it because as me tell you, say me never want get the young man involved with police. Me no love police galangins. So me go so bams now. Me grown it because as me tell you, say me never want get the young man involved with police. Me no love police galangins. So me go so bams now. And me call the police. As me say, me call the police because me reach my limit and me realize say nobody can help me. Because me say the good, the bad, and the ugly try to talk to him. And every feedback when me get is, Wally, this young man cannot be helped, so you have to protect yourself. Me call the police reluctantly. When me call the police and the police come now, obviously is a report me I make of what is going on with me. Obviously is a report me I make of what is going on with me. We are going with me for the last 6 months. When people see me for a weekend and say me might have kin me teeth and me sorrows me a Joan. And me sorrows me a Joan. Me is a happy-go-lucky girl and never face nothing like this in my entire life. The amount of people say, Wally, you have to get a gun. I know me no mentally prepared to get a gun because me no mentally prepared for shoot nobody. Me no mentally prepared for shoot nobody. So me no get none of me things say this morning or the morning when me goodly have to go get one. That's how much me drive over the edge. Me call the police and me make the report. Police ask me what is going on with me. I don't tell no lie on the individual. What I have been going through when me know. Me I go through a makeup breakup through March. This young man is not taking it lightly. So he treat me life night and day. He start me night and day. Drive up and down by me yard night and day. Franny have a steering wheel in me. Me have to go outside. Me sit down right now. I'm house front, you know. Every vehicle when me hear the engine from down the road, me have to stand up and look up and down, you know. Because any given minute I can't him and him no live nowhere near us, so, you know. And me I tell you about night and day, you know. Me catch him on video over and over, you know. You understand? Every catch based on what you're telling me is that you're telling me try not drop me guard because you try to get you catch. You try to catch me off guard. Me have 1 million texts in my phone of what and the gruesomeness of what might happen to me when you catch me off guard. It has gone to some of the times when you say I know him I do this at the devil. That take me fear to another level because me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Gone to some of the times when you say I know him I do this at the devil. That take me fear to another level because me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Me no want to hear nothing so you know say alright, it's a different level of madness me I deal with. And me say me still decide to live my life for 6 months. You know say alright, before me get the police, me rather take heed every time me a come out. Every time me go road at night time, people have to drive and follow me come on me yard at night time. Fi see say me open my garage and run go in a me place. Me in a me place lie down and watch sitting pa me phone. Me have to turn it down low till me can hear it. To the way me feel these past days now, like any day gunshot can come through me window. And them the way they me I live on me yard. Me not have a body on me yard more than me and me picking. Me not have family in there. You see me? And me I go through this. When he ready, he would have tell people, oh, me not do or nothing. If you not do me nothing, why you drive them a kind of fear in me? Them a fear away I driving and be better you the hold me somewhere 4 months ago and beat up my bumbuckler and me know say alright. Them the pain they done. Them a pain you way I driving and me physically, emotionally, me mentally drained. Me mentally drained. You see me? So me call the police. Tell the police what happened with me say over the past months. You know, say alright, him a threat my life. Me have the whole heap of text message them in my phone for sure. The man got a guns and the man take the report. The young man buy gun, the young man show me the gun, tell me say I feel me the gun, send bullet, go show me, pull, just craziness. Just craziness. Just craziness. You understand? Me ready to let out my cat out of the bag because me know what you have over me. I am going to let out my own bumbleclad skeleton in my own fucking closet. That's how bad this is reached. Because me find out say now say you are share things and video and something for your page and a try. How could you be knowing what you do to yourself? Or you just do what you do and make everybody know say your mother you do what you do no. But why would you try to give people a side like say alright that's something me do to you? Up till now if you talk to 1,000 persons you cannot tell them your side. Where you tell them how me and mash up your life with you. A girl call police for me dog. How many months me a bear this before me call police? How many months me a bear this before me call police? But you would want to give people the impression, oh, a girl a mash up my life, dog. A girl call police for me. And everybody a say, boy, bad to bad, yo. She should call police for you. You know how much it take out of me did for dial 911? You know how much it take out of me did for make up my mind and dial 911? You know how much it took out of me for reach to for dial 911? You understand? Everybody come America, everybody a do their little something where them a do. A half. When me call the police now and I hope say alright that I go slow down something. It no slow down nothing. It no slow down nothing. After me go so bombs now make a police report now, let me tell you the type of mind games. Let me tell you I tell you say as me say me go live this morning, you know why? Me get to find out today there with the police incident. You post that for your social media and would want to give impression like, yo dog, you look up a mountain police, a girl call for me dog, and now go me land for no say you do me this level of evil. And you're still out there trying to curve somebody else's mind a different way. That is the straw will break the camel back. There are a lot of people who have the mindset like me no owe people no explanation. Anything people think make them go on with it. I think that is a good trait to have, but unfortunately me no have it. Me like to make people know exactly what I want. So you can't fool nobody and nobody that think no fuck shit for me and think say okay, oh well he really a mash up a boy life and really we can call police for the boy and the boy no do him nothing. The boy just come feel learn more and in card that no, me not go out with nobody thinking of me like that. I am not going to go out like that. Me not go out like that. So anyways now, when me show him the little piece of the police sitting for making him say alright, police involved or me couldn't have that the paper there. He start with things, you really call police for me, you really do that, no say me have my paperwork, you really, so you know what fuck me more than anything else, things like that. This is somebody that drive you to the point of no return and know what them a do. And when you decide to take any little piece of action, then go so bombs to and try to make you feel like you really are. Do you think me want to do this? You think say if me the want to do this, this would not months and months and months and months and months. You think this wouldn't happen months or months? See somebody there, see one person named First Lady Clark Dunstan there commented this is him. So I don't know if this is the him from it, what a fake page. So me pressure me now with that to make me feel like say alright what me I do. You know so you think about for somebody they are foreign and you might have get themselves in a trouble for make them go back to Jamaica. Me no want all of that for me. Me no want all of that from me, so me no want all of that from me, so there and then the land more stuff here, me no know what I never remember them. Hey, 2 something drop off 5-3 for the van top a while ago, you see brother. What me I tell you say a man who that me say me I live like a wanted man. Me I live like me kill somebody and police a hunt me. And that the way that me I live jumpy and scary. Me go road weekend, yes. And me can't go road per weekend. You know why me can't go road weekend? Because every security knows what is going on. So every security from them see me enter in a party, they know say from this young man a come in. They have to search him and search him properly. Of course, when me go in a party, me I go turn up round crew and crowd. So you know mad enough you can charge for me. Number one, when me in a party and in them for me, yeah, you know, take off where you in position. So me always then near amidst a crowd. And everybody around know what is going on. So me he told somebody, oh she afraid and they a party every weekend. Me a no idiot. Me know so you can't do me nothing in a party. Because any security would have make you come through with a knife or a razor or anything and do me nothing in a nowhere me no dead. Me sorry for y'all who know. You understand? So this is our next thing me I make it clear because this man is not tap me from God road neither. So there and then anywhere where me there and this young man a come in here and do no job. Do no job and search this young man here properly. You understand? So me can't do that because when a time for me go me car, me can't walk, go me car with 10 people. And when then 10 people can follow me yard and me can't come in. So that is why me can't go to Bamsanga Road. So with me say the police report now when me look me say alright, this team is on. Well as me say the lawnmower me reach now. Because of the whole lawnmower video where him post make me winding up and come live right now. The lawnmower now, as me said, the lawnmower there for months after the breakup and me no hear nothing about it. But you know, when you grasp the straw, you look one next sitting for make mischief about and make mischief in mind run pan the lawnmower. So maybe about Monday or two, either and I say, more me lawnmower, more me something them now, more them now. So me I try to say them in a me storage. And me can't open me storage myself. And me yard no set up like when enough people usually come one time when me can't just get a man to come go open me storage. So me really have to wait till a man come around or me literally get somebody to come help me open me the storage. So there and then now the now go work with the lawnmower. Me know personally say never need the lawnmower if you do nothing right now. But you know how the situation they go, you want anything to make mischief with. So there and then you want the lawnmower no. You want the lawnmower no, right? So me go so bums now and say the lawnmower can't go on that the day there because nobody not there. Me call my friend Zenora the Tuesday and me I tell Zenora say them are a rant about the lawnmower. She said to me say when me come off of work, me will come help you to get out the lawnmower and whatever and then come get the lawnmower because if I make mischief I go like you want it. No. Either ways. I think at the Wednesday now me call the police. Thursday morning now after me call the police, he ended up message me and say me out the door your garage open because me barely left the garage crack. And me want me lawnmower now and me nah left till me get the lawnmower. Now this young man down here clearly say the lawnmower no in a me garage, you know. This young man knows say alright clearly. The lawnmower door in a me garage. So there and then now with him, just the night before when me finally make a report when me's at to a point of no. The fear were in a me when night come to make it from me door for make it. So my time want tell my son say Tyreek open the door with me. And then again me I say why me fi call me pick the fi come open the door like if me fi meet fi me 6 o'clock out the door and chances are me pick me out then come get gunshot too. So there and then now he make me just want left me child out tight. You make me want you make me want left. Oh, Jesus, me say me hate some people, you see, man. Jesus Christ, someone just come like one big blood clot waste of life. Someone just come like one big waste of life. So me go so bams now. Me go so bams now when the police then come me and said, cause remember saying did a haunt me about the lawnmower and idea, you know. So when me do call the police, make a report now. When the report had done now, me I said to the police, me say, sir, me have some lawnmower equipment for him because of course me I try to find out how the handing over the lawnmower go. Because when him mother like he want get to me now, you cannot check me for when you hold me where you go do, and me I go make you pull up now and me and you drive go my storage to go take out lawnmower. That now go happen. So there and then I must somebody go get the lawnmower for you can come get the lawnmower. Me and you can meet for get the lawnmower. So there and then now he insists I want. So when the police then come now, me decide say alright. Me now want them our lawnmower for do a goddamn thing. Mother does a be spiteful and wicked for you try to say, alright, me go hold on for your lawnmower. Because the lawnmower they leave here how much months now and me still have to pay for cut me yard. Because me now go to the door go push lawnmower, my son now go out they go push it either. When a $40 for cut yard. You see me? So there and then now, me I said to the police, say, me have this young man lawnmower equipment and me want to find out how me did that. So when my friend come from work, she by me I said that the policeman cut me off and in the police exact words was. Some wanna get black right now, me a black couple people now. So there and then even probably even was a fan. But based on certain things you wanna say you black immediately because you don't have no sense. You don't go about things the right way. And what someone wanna do right now is not what me want to do. It's not. Didn't she just say she didn't want to say the person name? I mean, some people just come like dog bed. Some people just come like dog bed in a real life. So anyways now, so when me I try to tell the police say, the lawnmower exchange I go, the policeman cut me off in my truck and said to me, say, that is not how that goes. If he wants the lawnmower, let him call the police for the lawnmower. That's how the police cut me off in my tracks and said to me, right? The police said to me, say, if no, ma'am, that's not how that be. Me no know if them say like how he reach to the point now where you make a report now and stuff like that. No lawnmower transaction can go on with whatever. So if him want the lawnmower making and the next breath. Me have to hear the leveler, you know, when somebody a degrade you. Me have to hear the leveler degrade how me dirty and how me stink and how me back a hot me and how me this and how me just a leveler. Remember me I tell you, know, people want to know, understand what this me I go through, you know. And me I tell you know, how what happened. We break up. And the breakup just not going well. This young man can't tell nothing what me do to him prior to break up. We no break up because him cheat on me or me cheat on him. If him even did a cheat on me never hear and me no know. And me ain't cheat on him. So we no break up for that. We break up because me and you not see eye to eye. And me see you good on a pathway. He not pleasing with me, so me take myself away from it. And that's all me know. But if him was to tell somebody, oh, the woman a mash up my life, dog, you man call police, yeah, talk about something where doesn't happen right fucking now. Yeah, talk about something where happen right now when a months, yeah, do what you do to me. Months away you do to me. So, with the lawnmower exchange now, and the police come for a second time, me still delay for go take the restraining order because me I said to myself, say, alright, Franny definitely see the police them now. Franny definitely see the police them now. More than likely, him now gonna know how far the situation is with the police. So there and then, that might make him cool off. So for day one, after me call the police them, me still a drag my foot for go do the restraining order. Still a drag my foot for go do the restraining order. Cause me I say, alright, me no want to stop this young man from can't go nowhere. Me no want to stop him from do all of that because even though me I think to myself, getting a restraining order might rile him up more, might piss him off more. If this young man really gone to the point of no return, me doing a restraining order, me know say it can't really help me. Because a restraining order only go make police know who do something happen to you. Then the time them me done gone already. Everybody a go done know who do something to me if something happen to me. The whole entire world a go know. Who do me something already. So the restraining order that means the police a go sit down on me yard every day truth me going out and coming in. Restraining order only really help man when a then sound mind we really no want go jail. But when somebody no in a their sound mind now I reach to the point where them no give a fuck about jail or prison or death. Remember we watch these things for ID. People kill you and kill all themselves. You see me? So there and then now the restraining order that that only really can do so much. So there and then now as me say, me drag my foot last week, Wednesday police then come, Tuesday and Wednesday morning, then now as me say, Thursday now, 2 days after that now, me sit down in my yard now because me I tell myself say, alright, see my position in my yard, me not go hide it from you. See it ya? My garage there, I saw my garage lock one time. Me usually sit down in my garage with my garage wide open in peace. Me dare not lift up this blood clot here again. So you see when me do, you see when me park my vehicle, you see, if me out a door, me barely sit down on this a chair or me can't have an angle to watch up the road. If nothing come, me ease up. So after me call the police, while you me get comfortable little bit and me sit down here so back of the car to an angle low, any vehicle come, me get up and try to look. And 2 days in a row after the police again, me still catch the vehicle. Me still catch the vehicle where this young man here drive up and down pa me black same way. And then have the nerves to text me for say, I saw me make them feel safe than a grave. I saw me make them feel safe than a grave. You know what that mean? You know what that mean? Meaning say me a drive up and down, yes, so till me catch. I really do nothing. And because say people can still be sitting with him and receiving these conversations and still sit down and have a giggling conversation with you with all them the thing they do. Me have to wonder what really are going on in this world. Yeah. Me have to make up my mind to say to myself, say, what really are going on in this world? Yeah. Because say, boy, me fear hear about my life, I go lose months and months, and me can wind up and lose my life to blurt it. Certain people me no want at my funeral if something happen to me. And my friends then where I don't know that. Then where I don't know a set when if you show up. Don't turn up. Don't come light no candle over me. No bring no rate. If something was to happen to me, you see me? Kali can't come at my funeral tonight. Kali can't come at my funeral tonight if something was happening to me. Cause you're not dead for me, bro God. You're not dead for me, bro God. You're not dead for me, bro God. So anything all happen to me, no look for me funeral cousin. Consider be dead for now.